Hello everyone. Today class spoken English practice. Let's start. ମୁଁ ଏକ ସଭାରେ ଅଛି. I am in a meeting. I am in a meeting. ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ଅଛି. I am busy now. I am busy now. ମୋତେ ପରେ ମନେ ପକାଇବ. Remind me later. Remind me later. ତୁମ ମୋବାଇଲ ଚାର୍ଜ କର. ଚାର୍ଜ ୟୋର ଫୋନ୍. ଚାର୍ଜ ୟୋର ଫୋନ୍. ତୁମେ ଯାଉଛ କି? ଆର୍ ୟୁ ଗୋଇଂ? ଆର୍ ୟୁ ଗୋଇଂ? ମୁଁ ଶୋଇପାରୁନାହିଁ. ଆଇ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ନଟ୍ ସ୍ଲିପ୍. ଆଇ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ନଟ୍ ସ୍ଲିପ୍. କେହି ଆସିଲେ ନାହିଁ. ନୋବଡି କମ୍. ନୋବଡି କମ୍. ମୋ ମତରେ. In my opinion. In my opinion. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଜାଣିଛ? What do you know? What do you know? ହଁ କାହିଁକି ନୁହେଁ? Yes, why not? Yes, why not? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ପଚାରୁଛି. I am asking you. I am asking you. ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କହିବି? What I say. What I say. ଚାଲ କେକ୍ କାଟିବା. Let's cut the cake. Let's cut the cake. ତୁମେ ଏବେ ଯାଅ. You go now. You go now. ପୁଣି ଥରେ କୁହ. Say once again. Say once again. ବିଦ୍ୟୁତ୍ କଟି ଯାଇଛି. The power has gone off. The power has gone off. ଆଦୌ ନୁହେଁ. Not at all. Not at all. ମୋତେ ଘୃଣା କର ନାହିଁ. Don't nag me. Don't nag me. ପ୍ରଥମ ଦେଖାରେ. At first sight. At first sight. ଏହା ବହୁତ ଅଧିକ. It's too much. It's too much. ଆଉ କିଛି? Anything else? Anything else? ଆଉ କିଛି ନୁହେଁ. Nothing else. Nothing else. ତୁମେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ କରିଛ. You did very well. You did very well. ମୁଁ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି. I am okay. I am okay. ମୁଁ ଆଜି ବହୁତ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ଅଛି. Today I am busy. Today I am busy. ସେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆସନ୍ତିନି. He has not come yet. He has not come yet. ସେ ସବୁ ଭୁଲିଯାଅ. Forget that. Forget that. ମୋତେ ଜ୍ୱର ହୋଇଛି. I have a fever. I have a fever. ଚାଲ ଘରକୁ ଯିବା. Let's go home. Let's go home. କ'ଣ କହୁଥିଲ? What were you saying? What were you saying? ଗୋଟେ କଥା କୁହ. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କରିବି? What should I do? What should I do? ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ ଥିଲି. I was wrong. I was wrong. ତୁମେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲ? How did you know? How did you know? କ'ଣ ହେବ? What will happen? What will happen? ଏଇଟା ମୋର ଭୁଲ ନୁହେଁ. It is my mistake. It is my mistake. ତୁମେ ତ ଜାଣିଛ ନା. You know what right. You know what right. ତୁମେ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ଅଛ କି? Are you busy? Are you busy? ତୁମ ପସନ୍ଦ ଅନୁସାରେ. As you like. As you like. ଆରାମ ସେ. Take it easy. Take it easy. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି। I am very happy with you. I am very happy with you. ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖ। Look at him. Look at him. ମୋତେ ଲାଗୁଛି। It seemed to me. It seemed to me. ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହୁଛି ତାହା କର। Do what I say. Do what I say. ତୁମେ ସବୁ କିଛି ଜାଣିଛ? You know everything. You know everything. କ'ଣ ଚାଲିଛି? What is going on? What is going on? ଛାଡ଼ ସେ କଥା। Let it go. Let it go. ମୁଁ ଅସୁବିଧାରେ ଅଛି। I am in trouble. I am in trouble. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛ। All right. All right.